Hello, everybody. This is Coach Shafto. Today, we're on day 5 of IXL. It says, I can write and solve equations using diagrams. Your goal for today is to be able to get to 100%. If you are looking to do other assignments, you can find them on Google Classroom. The question says, write an equation that says that the length of the green line is equal to the length of the black line. And this is pretty easy. We're just going to look at our section and we're going to say, well, this is 16 equals n plus 7. Because I have an n and I have a 7 and they add together, and I have 16 up top. Next one, I would write 13 equals t plus 6. On this one, I could switch it around. I could say c plus 14 equals 17. Again, it doesn't matter what side you put your equal signs on. So I could write v plus 10 equals 17, or I could also write 17 equals v plus 10. These are the same thing. Here, it's a little bit different. I have 36 equals, and I have to count the t's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 t's. Same thing here. I have 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 t's. Let's skip ahead. So on this level, I would write 40 equals, and if I have 4 u's and then another u, that makes 5 u's. And on this section, I'll have 22 is equal to 2 x's. I'll skip ahead. Here, this color coding assignment means that you're going to be subtracting. So I'm going to take my whole b, and then I'm going to subtract the blue section, 10. And that's going to be equal to 4. What you might have done is you could have said, you probably would have thought, oh, well, this is 4 plus 10 equals b. And that would have been correct, but that's not what it's looking for here. It's asking you to see that, oh, when they're not side by side, we're not adding them. We're going to do the same thing. It's just going to be subtraction. Same thing here. I'm going to put 14 minus w equals 7. Here, I'm going to have 2v equals 14. I'm going to jump ahead. And here it's going to ask me to solve. So my equation is going to be y minus 2 equals 8, because I've got this, they're not side by side. And then my answer is actually going to be 10, because these are together, 8 and 2 together makes 10. Here I would have 11 minus c equals 5. And my answer c, my solution, well, what 11 minus what makes 5? I know that 11 minus 6 makes 5. Here, I would have y plus 8 equals 27. Well, what number plus 8 makes 27? And clearly the answer is 19, because 19 plus 8 makes 27. Here, you would have 2n equals 34. So this is a tricky one. It's asking, what is 2 of these that makes 34? And look, it's halfway across, one n is. And so that means that what's half of 34? We could just do this by dividing. 34 divided by 2 is going to be 17. Remember that your goal is to get to 100, and you can find other assignments on Google Classroom.